In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide the formula bar in Google Sheets. Before we start, a quick note on what the formula bar is. It's the long input field near the top of your spreadsheet, usually just below the toolbar, with an FX icon on the left. It shows the content of the selected cell and lets you view and edit formulas. Some people prefer to hide it for a cleaner view or to gain a little more vertical space, while others like it visible for easier editing and transparency. Either way, you can switch it on or off in just a moment. First, open your Google Sheets document in your web browser. This works best on the desktop version of Google Sheets. If your screen is small or you're zoomed in, you might see fewer menu labels, but don't worry, the controls are still there. Make sure you're in the sheet where you want to make the change, and give the page a second to fully load so all menus are available. Next, look along the top of the page for the main menu bar. Click on the View menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps options that change how things are displayed without affecting your underlying data. From the drop-down, choose Show Formula Bar. This setting is a toggle, which means it turns on or off with a single click. If the formula bar is currently visible, selecting this option will hide it. If the formula bar is currently hidden, selecting this option will make it appear. In many cases, you'll see a check mark next to Show Formula Bar when it's enabled. When the check mark is gone, the formula bar is hidden. You can confirm the change immediately. If you turned it on, you'll see the input field reappear beneath the toolbar, ready for editing formulas. If you turned it off, that space collapses, giving you a bit more room to view your rows. Remember, this only changes the way your sheet looks. It does not delete or alter any formulas or values in your cells. It's simply a display preference that you can flip at any time. If you're working on a smaller screen and don't see the View menu, try maximizing your browser window or reducing the zoom slightly so the full menu bar appears. When you're done, you can switch the setting again using the same View menu if your needs change. That's it. You've learned how to quickly show or hide the formula bar in Google Sheets using the View menu and the Show Formula Bar toggle.